So when we are in a problem soup, we are actually thinking about it. But Krishna says in this Bhagavad Gita कि जो real wise person and does not worry about the present or the future, nor the living or the dead. And that's why I always say to my mothers, just for today, I'm not going to worry. And I'm going to take all your worries, because then what are we going to do in the present? We are going to be revealing each and every secret that is going to transform the journey for you and your baby. So I have already taken all your excitement in, and we are going to be starting. Okay, now you and I, all of us have this one thing in common. What is that thing? That we love our babies. We love them. And we would do anything for them. So, any second time mothers here, can you type 2 in the chat box if we have some second time mothers here? So, the second time mothers will tell me that how exciting it is, हर एक milestone जो अपने बच्चे का होता है. And the for first time mothers, who are the first time mothers here? Just put in some one in the chat box if you're first time mothers. Okay, yeah, okay, that's great. So, if you're first time mother, every milestone of the baby is so much. And what happens is that we know कि हमारा बेबी एक्चुअली में स्पेशल है. यार ये बेबी, मेरा बेबी दूसरे दुनिया से आगे है. एंड एवरीथिंग यू विल बी रिकॉर्डिंग, एवरी मोमेंट देयर इज सो मच दैट इज कमिंग योर वे, एंड इट्स रियली रियली एक्साइटिंग. What I am telling you, that your baby is truly truly special for real, and we are going to make sure that that happens in today's session. We have the next Virat Kohli, next Arijit Singh, and next Dhoni, and next whoever is winning NASA, and Ajit Doval and Dhurandhars over here right now within your wombs. And that's going to happen. So what I'm saying is that you mothers don't need this class for your baby to succeed. But won't it be great if you have some help? थोड़ा तो अच्छा होगा ना, कितना सारी चीजें हम कर रहे हैं यार, थोड़ी हेल्प तो अच्छी ही होती है. Okay, so today we are going to make that happen, and I'm asking one thing from you. I'm asking you guys to set an intention for yourself and your baby. Would you do that for me? All of your mothers, just close your eyes for 2 seconds. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. And say it with me. Today, I'm going to be 100% here. Today, I'm going to be committed to learning for my baby. Just for today, I'm not going to worry. Just for today, I know that my baby is going to rewrite the destiny of this world. Just for today, I'm 100% here. With this intention and this commitment that you have given to your baby, open your eyes and let's begin. Let's begin the learning. Okay. So now that you guys have all committed to be 100% here, please turn on your cameras, because that's how the maximum learning will be happening. And for all those mothers who have their cameras turned on and who are there over here 100%, I have a special prize. So the team, please note who are interacting and who have been giving the camera with the attending the meeting with the cameras on. Yeah, Diksha, I have noted your name. So note Diksha ka name also. They will be getting something special at the end of this session. Okay. So what I am bringing to the table is not something new. Okay. Garb Sanskar is not a new concept. ये पिछले 5,000 सालों से हमारी दुनिया में है, चलता आया है. हमने सबने सुना है कैसे अभिमन्यु ने अपनी माता के गर्भ में सुना था चक्रव्यूह में कैसे घुसना है. उसके बाद this is mentioned in Garbh Upanishad, and right now what is amazing is Garbh Sanskar is a trend. Like every mother wants to do Garbh Sanskar for her baby. The thing that I'm saying is that what we do is a bit different, because we combine Garbh Sanskar with knowledge of obstetrics and gynecology, neurosciences, epigenetics, and fetal development. Also, we sprinkle a lot of spirituality on top of it, that so that आपका baby wholesome child हो. Okay. And when I was researching on Garbh Sanskar, it is something that everybody knows it is happening. यार मैंने प्रेगनेंसी में ये किया था, इसकी वजह से मेरा बच्चा ऐसा है. हर एक मत, और हम देखते हैं ना, दो पेरेंट्स के, लाइक एक पेरेंट के दो सिबलिंग्स हैं, सब कुछ सेम है, एनवायरमेंट सेम है, मदर सेम है, पापा सेम है, बट व्हाट हैपेंस ड्यूरिंग द प्रेगनेंसी, उसकी वजह से दोनों का नेचर इज सो डिफरेंट. And this is amazing thing that happens with me. Ki whenever I play Antakshri, I am a champion in knowing all the old songs like Rimjim Pire Savan, Raste Ka Patharu, and I have never heard these songs in my life. And later on I came to know कि यार मेरी मम्मी मेरे प्रेगनेंसी के, मेरे पापा जब मम्मी प्रेग्नेंट थी, तो he used to listen to all these songs, and that's how I know it. So all my dads who are not here, I hope some mothers can bring in their dads so that they know what is the power of Garbh Sanskar and what is the magic happening. Okay. So what I am going to do is we are going to teach you how learning happens inside the womb. It is not something great. It is something that can be very simple, but integrated in a right way can transform your life. For example, we are doing a simple practice called Brahmari Pranayam. Okay. I am closing my eyes. Can all of you do one single Brahmari with me? So for that, keep your thumb on the tragus and fingers like this spread apart and make a humming sound. Mm. Everybody knows Brahmari, right? Do it one more time. Mm. What happens when you are doing a Brahmari Pranayam? In your brain, alpha wave is secreted. So alpha is the state of learning right now in this world with all the commotion and Insta and WhatsApp, everything. We are in a constant beta state, beta waves, beta, 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 beta. When you did this Brahmari activity, what happened is alpha wave was secreted in your brain. Alpha is a state of learning. मतलब क्या हुआ कि इस टाइम पे हर मिनट बेबी के 100 बिलियन ब्रेन सेल्स आर बीइंग फॉर्म्ड. यानी कि ये 1 मिनट में जो ब्रेन सेल्स फॉर्म हुए वो अल्फा स्टेट में फॉर्म हुए. एंड जब लर्निंग का स्टेट होता है, फोकस का स्टेट होता है, सो इट्स मैथ्स, इट्स फिजिक्स, इट्स फ्लाइंग एन एयरप्लेन और डाइविंग इन द सी. इन दिस मोमेंट द न्यूरॉन्स दैट वर फॉर्म, उनका कैपेसिटी इतना ज्यादा है कि लर्निंग बहुत फास्ट होगी. एंड दैट इज द मैजिक ऑफ गर्भ संस्कार. What your mother is doing, a baby's mother is doing during pregnancy, how it is affecting the baby. एक सिंपल स्टोरी है. दो बच्चे हैं. ओके. एक का नाम है राम, एक का नाम है श्याम. सो राम जो है पूरा दिन मेहनत करता है, पढ़ाई करता है, एंड स्कूल से आके वो पूरा अपने पढ़ाई में लगा रहता है, एंड ही गेट्स फर्स्ट रैंक. एंड देयर इज श्याम. श्याम क्या करता है? वो आता है, मजा करता है, खेलता है, कूदता है, एंजॉय करता है, दोस्तों के साथ पूरे दिन मस्ती करता है, एंड उसको एग्जाम से पहले या शाम में 1 घंटा या आधा घंटा पढ़ता है, एंड ही गेट्स थर्ड रैंक. नाउ टेल मी मदर्स, हु इज बेटर, राम और श्याम? व्हाट इज बेटर? Okay, guys. Sure. Yeah. Why is that happening? Because learning is happening fast in case B, that is Sham. And that is what we are doing through Garbh Sanskar, making learning easy for you. And how does this happen? It is happening through the concept of neuroplasticity. My team will be sharing a short video with you so that you can understand what is neuroplasticity. So, हम अब डिस्काइफर करेंगे कि एक्चुअली जैसे मैंने बोला ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट वो कैसे होता है. ओके. आर यू गाइज रेडी टू एक्चुअली स्टार्ट लर्निंग हाउ दिस मैजिक इज हैपनिंग? Ready, please type ready in the chat box if you are ready. Okay. So has anybody learned anything new recently? कुछ भी। ना, ओके। सो सपोज आई एम टर्निंग लर्निंग ड्राइविंग, ओके। हाउ व्हेन यू लर्न एनी स्किल, या मेरा सिजेरियन ऑपरेशन करना, when I did it for the first time, it was not that easy for me. Correct. अब 10 years down the line, it is like हाँ हो जाता है, आधे घंटे में हो जाता है. How did this happen? Because I was doing the same activity again and again, again and again. Yeah. So I am doing the same activity again and again, again and again. What is that doing? It is strengthening my connections. Okay. Uh, Team, can you share the video? Okay. So Namrata from the team can share the video. So what happens is whenever you are doing any activity again and again, that is going to strengthen the connections and that is making you more expert. When you are doing this in a time where the learning capacity is maximum, you can see the difference and I will show you how. For example, हम ले लेते हैं विराट कोहली को, ठीक है? विराट कोहली कितना मस्त क्रिकेट खेलता है. हमको क्या लगता है कि फर्स्ट डे जब वो पिच में आया था तभी वो ऐसा खेलता था? ना, करेक्ट. उसने दे ही वाज प्रैक्टिसिंग अगेन एंड अगेन एंड दैट इज व्हाई वन डे सेम इज फॉर सचिन तेंदुलकर. नाउ इफ आई टेल विराट कोहली टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग फॉर अनुष्का, sing Channa Meria for him, will he be able to do that? No, because the connections are not formed yet. So what happens is during pregnancy, if we strengthen the connections of learning, that can lead to, one second, just give me 1 second, I'm only going to share the video. Once, okay. I'm going to share my screen. Can you see my screen, everybody? Yeah. So this is a video. Loading. So what happens is when we are giving any stimulus, neurons under the microscope that I've filmed. And if you wait really patiently, you'll be able to see them connecting to one another. Okay. So what happened right now is that this is what is happening in your baby's brain cell. Every minute these 100 million connections are happening and हम इसको यूज कर सकते हैं अपने बेबी के एडवांटेज के लिए. द क्वेश्चन इज कैसे. सो आजकल हम सबको अपने बच्चों को बेस्ट एजुकेशन देना है, करेक्ट? लाइक यू गाइज आर मदर्स, बट देर इज दिस थिंग ना कि मेरा बेबी विल बी डूइंग द गोइंग टू धीरूभाई अंबानी स्कूल और हैज द बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी इन लाइफ. In fact, I was talking to this neurodevelopment expert, pediatric neurodevelopment expert, और वो बोल रहा था कि मैम आपको पता है आजकल की जनरेशन का प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि हमारे बच्चों के पास फ्री टाइम ही नहीं है. आप एक 5 साल के बच्चों से मिलो, उसकी पूरा कैलेंडर इतना फिल्ड है, मतलब दिन में योगा, देन आर्चरी, टाइक्वांडो, हॉर्स राइडिंग, एवरीथिंग दे आर डूइंग. एंड उससे प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है? प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि हमारा जो फ्री टाइम है, जो क्यूरियोसिटी है, वो तो खत्म ही हो गया ना. बच्चा बोर ही नहीं हुआ क्योंकि इसका इंटायर लाइफ इज डेडिकेटेड टू फॉलोइंग समथिंग दैट इज सेट बाय समवन. There is no time to explore at all. What we have done is we have inverted the learning pyramid. हमने पूरा सीखने का पिरामिड को उल्टा कर दिया है. And what is a learning pyramid? I will show you. Okay. So अभी I was talking about making life easy, learning easy. So ये पाथ है मेरे गांव के, सपोज रास्ते में दिस ग्रास इज है. फर्स्ट डे आई गो फ्रॉम योर, वॉट यू थिंक विल बी द पाथ? मुझको ऐसे 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 करके आई हैव टू गो, बहुत मुश्किल होगी. सेकेंड एक डे डेली 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 जाते जाते वो रास्ता आसान हो गया. थर्ड डे, फोर्थ डे, एक मैंने क्या काम किया, मैंने एक प्लैंक डाल दिया वहां पे, so that this path has become very easy for me. What we are going to do right now is going to teach you how to lay down this wooden plank for your baby. So the learning is happening and the process is very simple. Two planned repeated activities daily. And how does that work? Just remember this point, हम note करेंगे इसको. Okay? एक second. Okay, so this is the pyramid of learning. अब हमने क्या किया है, हमने एकेडमिक लर्निंग और क्लासेस और उसको टॉप में रखा है. वॉट इज बेसिकली हैपनिंग इज द बेसिक्स. आपका ये जो 5 सेंसेस होते हैं और एक वेस्टिबुलर कॉक्लियर विच इज आफ्टर बर्थ का टाइम, बट जो टैक्टाइल, ऑल्फैक्टरी, विजुअल, ऑडिटरी, गस्टेटरी, ये जो हमारी सेंसेस है, हमारा टच, हमारे आईज, बिकॉज कोई भी चीज हम सीख रहे हैं, हम कैसे सीख रहे हैं, अपने सेंसेस के थ्रू सीख रहे हैं. इनको अगर हमने स्टिमुलेट किया इन द राइट मैनर, इन द राइट टाइम, विद हेल्प ऑफ राइट गाइडेंस, आगे की चीजें बहुत ईजी हो जाती है. हम क्या करते हैं, बच्चे को दुनिया भर की क्लासेस में डालने की कोशिश करते हैं, एंड उसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि क्यूरियोसिटी एंड जो आगे ये होता है, सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट नहीं होता, बिकॉज वी आर बिकमिंग अ कंट्री ऑफ फॉलोअर्स. एंड वी कैन चेंज, यू कैन चेंज दिस by understanding this concept, and by doing this stimulation again and again. This is what you are doing now. मेरी प्यारी मदर्स को, किसी को ये क्वेश्चन है क्या, that this is about the connections, that if I am doing this activity, how is my baby going to learn? मैं तो कर रही हूँ, मैं कर रही हूँ ये activity, my baby is, how is baby going to learn? Anybody has this question? No? Everybody knows that the mother and baby are connected more. Yes, Diksha has a question. Perfect. I'm going to solve this question. So, comes to the concept, how are mother and baby connected? Can anybody just give me answers? Let's make this interactive and fun. That's when maximum learning takes place. प्लेसेंटा, जो बेबी और मदर का ब्लड का कनेक्शन है. हॉर्मोन्स एंड इमोशंस. आपने देखा होगा, हम, बिकॉज आई एम अ फीटल मेडिसिन एक्सपर्ट, जब मैं अल्ट्रासाउंड करती हूँ, अगर मदर गेट्स वरीड, बेबी का हार्ट बीट तुरंत बढ़ता है. देयर वाज दिस स्टडी डन इन विच वी वर डूइंग दिस, कि मदर को थोड़ा सा फियर दिया एंड बेबी का हार्ट रेट इमिजिएटली बढ़ने लगा ड्यूरिंग लेबर. So they are connected by emotions. But the most important, how this entire game that I'm teaching you is working, is because mother के subconscious network में baby is there. So there is this concept of subconscious learning, and baby is in the mother का subconscious environment. And I'm going to tell you the power of subconscious mind. That is when I'm going to make you do a very simple activity. Okay, we can stop sharing as of now. I will let you know when to share. Close your eyes, everybody. Just close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes. Go to your kitchen. Open your fridge. Take a lemon out. Cut that lemon and put it on your tongue. खट्टा लगा? लगा लगा? Open your eyes. किसको किसको खट्टा लगा? Just keep put K in the chat box. खट्टा लगा? Let me see who is actually doing. Ah, yeah. Yes. Okay. So, was there any lemon, but you could feel that taste, right? Why? Because actually our subconscious mind does not know the difference between real and imagination. There was this amazing study done by this person called Pascal, and he gave piano lessons to two groups of children. So one group was such where उनको real piano दिया. Can you share my screen, that slide? So one group had the real piano, one group had virtual imagination में piano बजा. Result ये था कि both the groups did perform exactly the same. So first group got actual piano lessons and the second got virtual piano lessons. So that means if your baby is receiving virtual lessons through you, baby is learning and imbibing everything through two. One is subconscious environment, and the second is the concept of mirror neurons. Mirror neurons आपने we can stop the slide share. मिरर न्यूरॉन्स क्या होता है कि आप अगर कभी कभी ऐसा होता है क्या, शादी के कुछ सालों बाद हम पूरे की तरह अपने हस्बैंड जैसे बिहेव करने लगते हैं और हस्बैंड हमारी तरफ बिहेव करने लगते हैं। एक ऐसे कॉम्पोजिशन बन जाता है कि थोड़ा सा उसकी क्वालिटीज मेरे में आ गई, मेरी क्वालिटीज मुझ में। जैसे मुझे तीखा बहुत पसंद था एंड माई हस्बैंड डिड नॉट लाइक स्पाइसी, and now I am also starting to not tolerate my spices as much as he does, and he is going to थोड़ा सा वो हो जाता है। और when we are going to a concert live, वो अलग एनर्जी रहती है ना, ठक 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 ठक, और as compared to when you're listening to the music. Why? Because mirror neurons get activated when you are with a person, and that is why जब learning होती है you have to keep your cameras on, because you will get my energy. I come here with lot of knowledge and empowerment. And when you keep your cameras on, when you are there 100%, your and my baby ka mirror neurons are getting activated. Okay. So that is the power of subconscious learning, and baby is in the subconscious network of the mother. And when I am saying कि pyramid of learning में हमने बेबी का बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग किया, अल्फा वेव्स लर्निंग स्टेट क्रिएट किया, और कॉन्शियसली कुछ नया नहीं करना है, कुछ महान काम नहीं करना है, simple activity of walking barefoot in grass, done right time of the day with right kind of classical music, with right kind of guidance, can create एकदम peak गर्भ संस्कार. एंड आई विल टेल यू उसका थोड़ा सा मैजिक देखना है कि क्या होता है बच्चे में असर। किसको सुनना है? या ओके। सो my one of my clients, her name is Ria. So Ria could not be here because she obviously has kids and everything. तो क्या हुआ कि रिया जो है उसका बेबी could not join swim team with the other kids. He joined 1 year late. And uske coach calls this mother and says that this guy joined 1 year late than everybody. In 4 months, he is the fastest swimmer in the entire team. And not only that, he is going to be like, I'm going to give him up for like local level championships because he's doing so good. उसके ही the same child, उसके पेरेंट्स जो है मेरे को बोलते हैं कि मैम आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू यू बिकॉज उसके पियानो टीचर, अगेन दिस इज हाउ आई गेट गॉट द पियानो वाला स्टडी फॉर दिस, was saying कि यार I don't give virtual classes but how can this child pick up so fast? And the same kid because mothers love to brag about their child. Okay, you cannot stop them for this, and this guy deserves it because her mother was constantly working on all these things throughout her pregnancy. And what she says that is, people come and teachers tell me that I have not seen such a kid in my life. Why? Because the mother was constantly working in our guidance throughout her pregnancy, working on the 9 types of intelligence. There is this person that I really love and care about is Bhakt Bhagwat. He very viral. Hello, hi, छोड़ो Hare Krishna बोलो. So that उसकी मम्मी से बात करेंगे. What she says, throughout my pregnancy, I was reading Bhagavatam. Look at that guy in 5-year-old. He's national level celebrity and going and giving speeches. Whatever mother is doing throughout her pregnancy affects baby ka development. And that is the reason why I am here. I'm going to just share how we are doing that. 1 second. The 9 type of intelligence that we can work on. So 1 second. So this is up. See. So we can work on your intrapersonal, visual, naturalist, musical, mathematical, existential, body kinesthetic, everything. And that is why Ria ka child, and there are so many examples. I'm talking Ria because I spoke to her yesterday only, and she was telling me all these things that makes me so proud as a person who has been part of the pregnancy journey. And then your child can be anything. You know, this story is very famous because A.R. Rahman, everybody knows A.R. Rahman. He got an Oscar for our country. वो जब प्रेग्नेंट थी अपने बच्चे से, मतलब ए आर रहमान मम्मी के पेट में था, तो उसकी मम्मी सितार, शी वॉज अ क्लासिकल म्यूजिक प्लेयर, उसकी मम्मी जो है सितार बजा रही थी, कोई बोला कि अरे तुम प्रेग्नेंट हो, इतना भारी मत उठाओ, ये क्या कर रहे हो? शी वॉज लाइक, डू नॉट डिस्टर्ब मी, मैं अपने बच्चे को म्यूजिक बता रही हूँ. आज that music is ruling the world, and that is the power that each and every one of you, Namita, Drashti, Diksha, Isha, Monica, and thank you, Jane sir, a father who is here, because fathers have tremendous influence in the baby ka development through, again, mirror neurons. Isn't this exciting? Are you loving this? Because this is just step one. And I am going to be telling you why I am here, why I am taking, I'm an obstetrician and gynecologist. My time has a lot of value. Yeah, anybody has question? Do one thing, you can note the questions. And just now, okay, we are in a pause. So anybody has a question, you can share. या फिर कोई क्वेरी होगा ना, लिख लो अपने नोटपैड्स में. आई होप यू आर गोइंग टू टेक नोट्स फ्रॉम नाउ, बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू बी ड्रॉपिंग गोल्ड बॉम्ब्स राइट एंड लेफ्ट. Gold nuggets, bombs is okay. So I will tell you my story. Why am I here? Because ever since I was like a 5 year old child, and my friend is over here, so she will know this. I used to say that I want to become a doctor. Okay. इनफैक्ट मेरे घर में एक कोई पेज नहीं, एक कोई बिल नहीं जिसमें मैंने डॉक्टर निशा झा करके साइन नहीं किया है वो. एंड माय डैड वाज लाइक कि कोई तो सरफेस छोड़ दो. एंड व्हेन यू वांट समथिंग सो बैड, sometimes uh, everybody please mute yourself. I will mute everybody. So okay, so what I did was that I wanted to become a doctor, and I decided this since I was like 4 years 5 years. And when you want something so badly, थोड़ा सा किस्मत आ जाती है बीच में. And when I gave this exam for the first time, I could not get in. I remember everything about that moment, वो दिन, मेरे मम्मी पापा के फेस, everything. And I was completely heartbroken. इनफैक्ट हर एक बंदा जो उस बैच में मेरे साथ था या जिसको एडमिशन मिल गया, आई वॉज थिंकिंग दैट दैट पर्सन इज सुपीरियर देन मी इन सम वे. Cut to today, when I was planning my pregnancy and when I was having my baby, I wanted one thing. I wanted कि मेरा बच्चा कोई भी एग्जाम लाइफ में दे, उसको फेलियर ना देखना पड़े. एंड जब फेलियर देखना पड़े भी, तो उसके पास उतनी इमोशनल मेच्योरिटी हो, उतनी कैपेसिटी हो दैट इट डजंट बॉदर. एंड दैट इज व्हाट सब एवरी मदर वांट्स फॉर देयर चाइल्ड. करेक्ट. हर एक माँ को वो चाहिए होता है कि अब मेरा बच्चा ना वो नहीं देखे, यार मुझे स्कूल में बुली किया गया, या मुझे लर्निंग में इतनी परेशानी, या मुझे भूलने की तकलीफ है, या मुझे गुस्सा ज्यादा आता है. वी डोंट वांट दैट टू गो टू आवर चाइल्ड. कभी कभी सबकॉन्शियस माइंड डू नॉट टेक दिस इनटू कंसिडरेशन. कोई कोई मेडिसिन प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, बीमारी होती, वी डोंट वांट देम टू गो टू आवर किड. एंड एज अ डॉक्टर आई वाज थिंकिंग, यार क्या कर सकते हैं. एंड हियर इज द आंसर. गर्भ संस्कार, where actually your baby is getting formed. And it took me so many years to come to here when I am in a place jahan pe you saw my certifications. I have 5 degrees. I have been published in national and international magazines for my work with pregnant mothers and transformed lives of thousands of mothers. और ये हुआ इसलिए क्योंकि I got into NLP, which I'm going to be talking on, neuro linguistic programming, how to rewire your brain and your concepts. वरना अगर नहीं मिलता सही गाइडेंस, तो क्या होता, आई वुड बी स्टिल फीलिंग दैट, एंड आई डोंट वांट एनी चाइल्ड over here to feel that. हम अपने ट्रॉमास ना जनरेशंस के थ्रू पास करते हैं. आई थिंक इफ यू हैव सीन माई स्टोरी, दैट इज अ रियल स्टोरी. कि एक प्रेग्नेंट मदर अपन जब थी, उसको किसी ने बोला कि यार अगर तुम्हें एक लड़की होगी इस बार, दोबारा, इससे अच्छा है वो मर जाए. ये लड़की जब पैदा हुई, उसको इतना कॉन्फिडेंस इशू था, उसको इतना इसमें प्रॉब्लम था, उसके पास उसके 3 अबॉर्शंस हो गए. जब उसने थेरेपी लिया, हेल्प लिया, ये किया, तो उसने मेरे को आके बताया, डॉक्टर, दैट पर्सन टोल्ड मी that what there is something called as timeline therapy where you can go into your subconscious mind and कि when she was in her mother's womb she heard this, and there was so much anger and that determined her personality for so long. And that is the reason why I'm here, to tell you कि पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव दोनों वे में कितना इम्पैक्ट होता है. मदर हैज द पावर टू राइट डेस्टिनी ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी चाइल्ड. आपके पास ही पेन है, आपके पास ही पेपर है, आप लिख रहे हो, और ये लिखाएगा, कॉन्शियस और अनकॉन्शियसली गर्भ संस्कार विल हैपन. इट इज हियर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न हाउ टू डू इट करेक्ट. आई होप, एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज दैट आई वांट टू गिव यू. पता है, मैं जब अल्ट्रासाउंड करने बैठती हूँ ना, मेरे पास हर एक मदर आके यही पूछती है कि लड़का है या लड़की है, बता दो. इट्स अ क्राइम, पर पूछ लेते अगर मैं, क्योंकि आई लाइक टू शो मदर्स कि यार ये देखो, ये बेबी कैसे डांस कर रहा है, कैसे हंसने पे रिएक्ट कर रहा है. देयर इज सो मच ब्यूटी हैपनिंग इन द अल्ट्रासाउंड व्हेन यू कनेक्ट विथ योर बेबीज. The thing is, when that is your concern, if, and you, I know you know such kind of mothers, if they are there in my family also, you are not understanding what kind of trauma you are giving to that child, and that child has so much power. एंड मेरी मम्मी होगी, उनसे पूछो, हु इज शी मोर प्राउड ऑफ, मी और माई ब्रदर. टोटली, दैट इट इज नॉट इवन अ क्वेश्चन. ओके, गर्ल्स आर रॉकिंग द वर्ल्ड, एंड देर इज नो दिस ओनली. प्रियंका चोपड़ा की मम्मी से पूछो, उसके भाई को वो भाव भी नहीं देती है. तो मेरा पॉइंट ये है कि वॉट एवर योर इमोशंस आर इज सो इम्पॉर्टेंट ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी. एंड अच्छा, एक बात बताओ, हम लोग सबने एक गेम खेला, एवरीबडी लव्स गेम, कोई भी गेम. लाइक माय फैमिली, एवरीबडी लव्स क्रिकेट, एंड दैट अदर डे वी वर वाचिंग द मैच, एंड कभी किसी ने वंडर किया है कि उस क्रिकेट के रूल्स किसने बनाए? हु हैज मेड द रूल्स? हम लोग देखते हैं एंड पीपल, हाँ ये ऐसा होना तो नो बॉल हो गया, ये हो गया तो एलबीडब्ल्यू हो गया. किसने बनाए रूल्स? बट वी आर फॉलोइंग इट. There are so many unsaid rules, like money. Money is such an important aspect and one of the most common traumas that are. You have heard this in your family, money doesn't go on grow on trees. या फिर अब मेहनत करो, पैसा बचाओ, सेविंग इज अर्निंग, और सेव फॉर अ रेनी डे, और ये क्या है, मनी इज रूट कॉज ऑफ ऑल इविल. इनफैक्ट मेरे को ऐसा, मुझे ऐसा मेरा माइंड से, पढ़ाई करो, मेरा मेरा पढ़ाई तो बंद ही नहीं हो रहा है. चालू ही रह रहा है, चालू ही रह रहा है, बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट वाज taught to us. What I am saying is, who made this rules? हमने कभी सोचा है? We have been playing this money game. It is determining so much concepts of our life, and yet we don't know whose rules we are learning. किसने बोला मेहनत करने पे ही पैसा आएगा? ये जो बच्चे हैं ना यहाँ पे, उनके पास पैसा ऐसे ही आएगा, वो खड़े होंगे, पैसों की बरसात होगी. That is what I want you to transfer to your kid, a mindset that is full of energy. And that is why I have a special thing that I do with all my mothers. It is called as money mindset. Yeah, you can share. Now, I always tell you with the coming, ये मेरा ग्लास है. The before slide, इसके बाद वाला, अगर इस क्लास में the team, the previous slide, one second, भी ग्लास पकड़ के रखा है तो दिखाई देते हैं. हाय, so doctor, technical problem. Okay, okay. So मेरे ग्लास में, if there is scarcity, if there is anxiety, if there is worry, if there is fear, if there is self doubt, What am I going to give my child? You guys only tell me, what am I going to give my child? Now that you know the power of subconscious learning, this is only going to give. यही गंदा पानी है. And if my glass is filled with intelligence, empathy, beauty, creativity, abundance, fame, then that is what is going to be given to my baby, correct? And that is what I want to take you to take, that fill your glass with abundance. And it is not easy. Trust me, it is not easy. बोलना बहुत आसान है, टेंशन मत लो. बट टेंशन आता ही है, सबको आता है. एंड दैट इज वाई यू नीड सम हेल्प, यू नीड गाइडेंस. इट इज लाइक अब हम अल्ट्रासाउंड रूम में जाते हैं इनिशियली, यार कितने मतलब सोचते हैं यार बेबी को देखने मिलेगा, हम ये सोचते हैं यार सब कुछ अच्छा होगा ना, यार सब कुछ अच्छा होगा ना. एंड दैट इज वाई यू वॉन्ट टू बिलीव. यू नो व्हेन आई टेल बिलीव, व्हाट इज अ बिलीव? हम कैसे जिंदा है? कैसे जिंदा है? सांस लेने से जिंदा है, करेक्ट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर लाइक यार प्लीज भगवान नेक्स्ट सांस दे दे, नेक्स्ट सांस दे 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 दे, मैं मर जाऊं. We would believe that the next breath is coming. I want Drashti, Namrata, Diksha, Isha, Monica, everybody believe that your baby is going to transform the world. And that person will, because उसने वही रूल सीखे, उसकी मम्मा ने वही सिखाया है. I always give the example of शिवाजी महाराज. जीजाबाई ने उसको बूम से बताया है कि तू दुनिया का राजा है, यू आर ब्रेव एंड यू विल बिल्ड स्वराज. एंड मेनी पीपल डू नॉट कनेक्ट विद बिकॉज दैट पर्सन इज सो ग्रेट. आई वॉन्ट यू टू नोटिस एट द मदर who has framed the personality, and that's why mothers have a lot of power and lot of responsibility also. मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, इट इज थोड़ा सा टफ एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर फॉर यू गाइस. आई होप यू नो दैट. ओके, ग्रेट. अब हमने इमोशनल, ये वाला मैसेज ना याद रखो यार, अपने कप को ऐसे भरो कि जब बच्चे को ट्रांसफर करो, यू ओनली ट्रांसफर अबंडेंस. ओके, नाउ दैट वी हैव डेल्ट विद दिस, आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट योर बेबी कैन बी एनीथिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. You want to get a glimpse, how can I achieve that? How many of you are very excited? हाँ दिखा दो, इतना बोल रहे हो कि कुछ भी करा सकते हैं. Some people call me a genie. Yeah. So you have to tell me one thing that you want your baby to be very good at. कोई skill जो अपने बेबी को चाहिए, and I will show you how you can get it. किसी ने बोला है? Okay, empathy is good, but I want, this is a thing. So for example, I want my baby to be a chess player. Just an example, okay? World class chess player. Recently, Gukesh has won for our team, and we have all been loving him. So what I want to say is, suppose like Gukesh, I want my baby to be a world class chess player. What are the qualities that is needed for that? Singing. Okay, Namita is about singing. Okay, singing is also a good skill. So we will do two ones. Now, for suppose singing, I want my baby to have great leadership quality. It is a quality that we can manifest. But I am saying a leadership quality in what? He is a cricket team leader, he is a politician, he is a company ka CEO, swimming. Okay, sports and swimming. Okay. So when I take any sport like chess, उसमें क्या क्या लगता है? So there is a concept called as cognitive function and cognitive skill. So suppose skill is playing chess or playing cricket. अब इसमें क्या क्या फंक्शंस होते हैं? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड मेमोरी. सारे मूव, सारे दुनिया भर के जितने ग्रैंड मास्टर है उन सबके मूव्स याद रखो. यू नीड एबिलिटी टू हैंडल स्ट्रेस, एंड यू नीड एबिलिटी टू बी दिस फर्म, राइट? कि हम इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे गेम खेले, हमको टेंशन से ही बेबी बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ देम आर बेबीज ना, टेंशन से ही हार मान जाए तो कैसे चलेगा, right? Then like you want singing, you need to hold a note, you need to have a knowledge of sur, you need creativity, right? So these becomes cognitive function. So what is that if you develop these cognitive functions like memory, like musical capacity, creativity, and through right brain and left brain development in pregnancy, again हमने वो प्लैंक्स जो बिछाए थे याद है, जिससे चलना बहुत आसान हो गया. Those planks will be laid for your child and the learning will become very easy. बोलते हैं ना prodigy. Mozart could play music from 7 years of age. So that is, so these are the functions of the brain: logic, language, science and math, truth, planning. That's his left brain through logical activities. Right brain is holistic, creativity, art, imagination, empathy is again this. I will tell you the simple example. अगर बच्चे को कुछ सिखाना है, there are two things. First, you have to have leadership qualities, and you have to tell stories of great leaders throughout your pregnancy. This is one of the things that we do with our mothers. We tell them stories of great personalities and the qualities that you can imbibe them. And when you stimulate these functions, then your skills develop very easily. For example, मेरे पास एक mother है जो एक housewife है, okay, who's very good at cooking. कब से start करना है? अभी से now. And I will, okay, and for those mothers who have the question अभी से क्यों करना है, I'm going to deal with that right now. Thank you for reminding me. अब क्यों कर रहे हैं? Again the concept is that पिरामिड को हमको बेस को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है ना. एक बार बेबी आ गया ना, सो हु वाज आस्किंग, आई थिंक दीक्षा, जस्ट रिमाइंड मी योर क्वेश्चन इन द एंड. 5th month कंप्लीट हो गया, परफेक्ट, बेबी इज लिसनिंग एवरीथिंग. हाय बेबी, मम्मा इज ऑल रेडी टू वर्क फॉर यू. ओके, हाँ, सो आई वाज टेलिंग मम्मा इज वेरी गुड इन कुकिंग. ठीक है, अब कॉन्शियसली सी व्हाट आर द कॉग्निटिव स्किल्स, फंक्शंस रिक्वायर्ड इन कुकिंग. फर्स्ट यू नीड लॉजिक, नमक सही डाला, मसाले सही डाले, वो प्रपोर्शन. क्रिएटिविटी, नई नई डिश बनाने का. पेशेंस, all these are skills that are going to be fastened, and then this baby will have these skills. Suppose I am a surgeon, okay, and I want my baby to operate from left hand also, because मेरे को लैब सीखने में लेफ्ट हैंड से बहुत मेहनत लगी थी. So I want my baby to have left hand active. What we will do? Neurorhythmic skills. दोनों हैंड से काम करना. So right brain and left brain दोनों डेवलप होता है. Basically, anything that you want to learn, we can break down them into functions. So अगर suppose मेरे बेबी को चेस प्लेयर बनना है, तो मैं लॉजिक वाले पजल सॉल्व करूंगी, मैं मेमोरी वाले ये करूंगी, सो दैट माय मेमोरी इज फंक्शन. एंड आपका मेमोरी सपोज 2 आना आसन हो रहा है, बेबी का यू हैव टू नोट द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई सेड. 100 million brain cells are multiplying per minute. So you do 2 minutes work of work and baby gets 200 million times worth of work. Isn't this amazing? I have a question once. Ma'am, I'm worrying about studying entire 5 months and all. Okay. So just for today, I'm not going to worry. You're going to book a call with us and I'm going to solve all your problems. Okay. Dr. Namrata will send you a link. Okay. Worrying is not the answer. That's why I'm telling you, every mother that is listening to this, and if you are able to receive, this is not a chance that you are here. What knowledge that you have received, I didn't have half of it during my pregnancy. एंड हमारे एंसेस्टर्स को, मतलब हमारे पेरेंट्स को तो नहीं था. बट बहुत लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव दीज क्वेश्चंस? नम्रता, कैन यू शेयर द क्वेश्चंस कि यार हमारे दादा दादी ने तो यार ये काम नहीं किया, हम तो बहुत ठीक हुए. एनीबॉडी हु इज थिंकिंग यार हमारे किसी ने तो कॉग्निटिव फंक्शन, कॉग्निटिव स्किल को डेवलप नहीं किया? Anybody of you, first of all, is not Elon Musk or Ambani. Sorry for triggering you. And the second thing is that उनका environment अलग था. उनके पास आंगन था. They were actually doing a lot of activities. They were doing creativity. Everything was pure. And there was no, but this generation is cursed with mobile and a very bad lack of focus. हमारा dopamine इतना stimulate हुआ है. Okay. How many of you have these questions? Will it really work? Is it real? Like what you are saying, that my baby can develop intelligence, and how many of you are wondering that? Nobody. My spouse and family doesn't believe in this. They think this is a fad. Anybody who has this problem? I feel fine. Why fix something that is not even broken? So no, if you have this doubt, just note me. I will just deal with it. Okay, you feel fine, I know. And this reminds me of this story that is there, very famous book called Rich Dad and Poor Dad. ना मतलब 2 minutes के लिए Rich Dad Poor Dad is a book many people have read that says that एक अमीर बाप होता है, उसका poor बाप होता है. The rich dad gives assets and liabilities. Money makes money, and the poor dad is giving this, ये loans, और अपने आप को जो ऐसे खरीदो जिससे और पैसा जाए, घर गाड़ी ये. Similarly, there are two kinds of mom, the smart mom and a prodigy mom. Smart mom is going to worry about her pregnancy. She's going to go to all the doctor chum and Google everything that is there in the world. And she's going to and she will be like, हाँ, survive कर रहे हैं यार, इतना हर दिन survive कर रहे हैं. And Dr. Lamrata is going to tell you a very important thing. कि suffering, I will not spoil her things. So you note this for that too. And a prodigy mom who knows her power during pregnancy, and she knows that whatever she can do is doing, with the help of a right guidance, right people with her, she can transform it into something special and lay down those planks, वो जो चलने का easy ना, कि मेरे बच्चे के लिए life बहुत easy हो जाए. Namrata, you can share the slide. I had a question, I'm worrying and stressing, that I have solved. Okay, कब से start करना चाहिए? The time is now, because this is a sale that is going on, guys. This is a sale. I hope you can take maximum advantage of it. And there is something called as window of opportunity. तो 85% of brain development माँ के पेट में हो जाता है. Okay, next slide. Next slide. 85% of brain development हो जाता है. I will show you how. Next. Okay, these are why should I start so early? The first reason is the window of opportunity. Suppose this is a window. मुझे यहाँ से बॉल फेंकना है, जो मेरे कॉग्निटिव स्किल्स के डेवलपमेंट के बॉल है. व्हाट विल हैपन, द नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स गोइंग थ्रू इज गोइंग टू बी मोर एज कंपेयर टू ये विंडो क्लोज हो गया. 5 to 6 years के बाद बेबी का पर्सनैलिटी बंद हो गया, अभी ग्रोथ होगा. वॉट एवर यू हैव टू ले डाउन इज डन. आफ्टर 5 years जो हो गया हो गया. Does this really work? It works. I hope you guys know this works right now, and I will show you how. How does this work? That is through science. Next slide. So these are the neural networks, and we know that baby का जो physical growth नहीं होता baby का, because everything I'm doing this hand movement, मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि मैं ये कर रही हूँ. How? Because subconscious environment. Baby का brain wiring is happening constantly, and we can use this to create something that is that you can actually be proud of, like Ria was doing it. Next slide. Okay, so this is how it happens. So first 2000 days of life is the period जहाँ पे maximum development होता है. उसके बाद हम skills कभी भी ले सकते हैं. Brain is neuroplastic. ठीक है ना. न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी का कॉन्सेप्ट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू, दैट इज कनेक्शंस दैट आर बीइंग फॉर्म्ड इन द ब्रेन. प्लास्टिक क्यों बोलते हैं? बिकॉज वो जो होता है किसी भी शेप में बन जाता है. बोलते हैं ना बच्चे का घर दिमाग कच्चे घड़े के जैसा होता है. So at this time, the maximum development, again I'm saying 100 million per second. Just 1 minute of activity, imagine कितना इफेक्ट होता है. And there is increased brain synapses. That is what I was saying right now, the connections that are formed. Epigenetic influence, I will tell you about that, and subconscious learning. That is how the brain development is taking place. So, can you go to that neuron wala slide? पहले. I think slide number 29. उसके बाद वाला, हाँ, ये. Look at the connections. These connections and synapses are formed their maximum by 6 months and 2 years, and बाद में synaptic pruning होती है. मतलब जो functions हम नहीं use कर सकते वो ये बंद कर दो. 2 years का baby ना, everybody can swim. Somebody wanted to be a swimming champion over here. Please stop the slide share. So 2 years ke baby, everyone can swim. Why? Because we have been learning everything in the womb, and babies are natural swimmers. After 2 years, there was a study done जिसमें बच्चों को ना स्विमिंग पूल में डाला था. Till 2 years, baby was able to swim. After 2 years, they were drowning, and you had to save them. So that is what is learning happening, and every. So I hope I have under explained the concept of cognitive function and cognitive skills very well. Because what happens is you take a skill जो भी आपको डेवलप करनी है. जैसे ड्राइंग में क्या होता है, आर्टिस्टिक एबिलिटीज होती है, क्रिएटिविटी होती है, पेशेंस होता है, इमेजिनेशन होता है, फोकस होता है. उन पे वर्क करो ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी, एंड देन यू सी द मैजिक दैट योर बेबी हैज. Suppose somebody wants to be a great musician, you start learning an instrument during pregnancy, and that baby is born with that talent. There was this news recently that a person, she was a rock climber, and she would do rock climbing throughout their pregnancy. उसका 7th month baby को क्रॉल भी नहीं करने आता, could do rock climbing. Where did this child land? Because that was the skill that the mother taught in the pregnancy time. Amazing. Type A in the chat box if you guys are all amazed by what all can happen and what power you have. And this can be very simple. हमारे हमारे दादी नानी ना निटिंग करते थे. याद है, निटिंग करते थे प्रेगनेंसी. knitting is a work of lot of focus and repetition. If you are just doing knitting consciously with the right kind of music, that also develops focus. आजकल बच्चों, we cannot focus. It is something that we are doing. So what I am saying is that every baby is a genius, because uska brain ka strength is much more than all of us. Problem क्या है पता है? NASA had found that problem. So they did a study to find out very intelligent and genius babies. And what they did is they sent this men to the school, and they found at 5 years of age, 90% of those kids were genius. 2 साल बाद आए, 70% was the number. थोड़े 2-3 साल बाद आए, 60% या 40% आए. Then they were like, ये क्या हो रहा है, ये तो यूजलेस स्टडी है, छोड़ दो. So one of those members came back after 15 years, and he found only 1.2% of those kids were qualified as genius. Can anybody tell me what happened? हर एक बच्चा जो जीनियस था, उनके साथ क्या हो गया?
Repetition of the activities was not happening, maybe
Yeah.
because of it, the learning was not happening. Learning stopped.
The world happened. You guys, this happened. उसकी सारी जीनियस कैपेसिटी को ये कर दिया.
We cannot hear you.
Sorry,
You're
sorry,
on mute.
sorry. So the world happened. The environment happened. This kid who could do anything was told it cannot do. Okay. So that is what happened to them. And I'm
Like we
going to.
say, kids are not born with fears, but then they develop it
Yeah, correct,
later on.
correct. Yeah, right. So, Dr. Namrata, can you share the screen? I will show you something. I'm going to show you something. 1 second. Admin. Namrata is there. Okay. 1 second. Okay. So, kid, this video is for everybody.
They're always doing things that I find destructive. And that's what exploration kind of is. If you take stuff apart, some kids do. Not a scientist is a kid who never grew up. That's what an adult scientist does. So what happens at home If the kid reaches out and comes out and jump on it, what's the first thing you do as a parent? Stop playing with the egg. Right, put it back. Excuse me, this is an experiment. The of find out that dogs eat birds.
So this is what happens. I was telling you the story, I will just add it again, that I was amazed by this person ka saying that how we have stopped curiosity in our kids because we have constantly packed their schedule. We have constantly packed their schedule with things to do and everything. And that is why it is important for mothers to know this, that you have to give them boredom after they are born. You have to let them have their space, the time to explore everything. And that is why it is the best time to do it is now. पता है बहुत सारी मम्मियां बोलती हैं यार मेरा बच्चा सुनता ही नहीं है. What is Garbh Sanskar? I was talking about constantly about Garbh Sanskar. What is Garbh Sanskar? Garbh Sanskar is the conversation that every mother has it with her baby. It's happening constantly. It is achar, vichar, vyavhar. It is what you are doing, and it is not like something कि हम 10 मिनट कर लिया 15 मिनट कर लिया like people do. No, it is a way of life, and it is not to scare with you. With the right guidance, it is so easy. And that's why what I do with my mothers is I make a point कि we do fetal enrichment, जो बेबी का डेवलपमेंट है, अर्ली एनरिचमेंट लाइक फर्स्ट 2 years के तक आप अपने बेबी के साथ क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे उनके एक्सप्लोर करने देना चाहिए, एंड बाद में उनको छोड़ दो. They will surprise you and you just have to be proud mothers and sit and be like, oh, that's all you have to do. For now, you have to be conscious parents. And now I've explained you the theory. And as I told you that कि 1 second कि यार मैंने तो जो सपना देखा था आई कुड नॉट अचीव इट इन फर्स्ट गो, एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई एम डूइंग दिस फॉर माय बेबी एंड आई वांट ऑल माय मदर्स कि तुम्हारे बच्चे वो एग्जाम्स होते हैं वट एवर यू वांट टू विजुअलाइज, बिकॉज लाइफ you are only creating it through your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. And there is one person over here who has achieved everything she has set in her life. That is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. Okay, she has achieved everything in her life, and she is the youngest laparoscopic surgeon in the state of Gujarat. She is a fetal medicine expert. She's from a person who has won gold medal in medical science as well as in swimming in the state level and national level. She is a person who has achieved everything and setting from her life. Sorry, she has achieved everything that she has set on to do in her life through grit, determination, and a plan. So I am all about theory and imagination, and let's explore the world. And Dr. Namrata is all about action. And she is coming from a family that is giving medicine knowledge and through epigenetics, because she उसके ancestors दादा परदादा ना भावनगर के राजा महाराजा के राजवैद्य थे. That is also something you see ना families में ये होता है. But हमारे पास कभी कभी ऐसा होता है that we want our child to do something better, and this is how you do it. And today we are going to welcome right now co-founder of Prodigyne, Dr. Namrata Trivedi. She's taking out a baby as we speak. The youngest laparoscopic surgeon in the city of Gujarat and Tamil Nadu, running her own center, founding this workshop and this Prodigyne Garbh Sanskar program and fetal medicine. So we are the only two fetal development experts in the country. And when she speaks, you listen, because she has achieved everything. And and we all are lucky to be in her presence. I welcome Dr. Namrata to a stage that can, help you empower your pregnancy journey. She's going to be flying soon to Venice, and we are so lucky to have her amongst here. So please welcome Dr. Namrata. Are you there? And she will
Yes.
be showing you how to actually make everything that I have told you possible. So please give in some claps and welcome and a lot of love and hearts to Dr. Namrata as she joins the stage. Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, hello. Hi, mamas. How are you doing? So, before I start the next session, I want all of you to go get a glass of water, just walk around and come back because I'm going to drop gold nuggets. Okay. And I want all of you to be very, very attentive because we are going to see practical aspects of what we have just seen. I'm going to show you how to implement everything which we have just seen. So, everyone, I need you to be attentive and I need you to drink water because hydration is very important in pregnancy. So, just stand up, make a round, come back, have water, and we will start. 2 minutes.
Guys, chalo, rush, bring your water, be careful. Welcome, Dr. Namrata. It is a pleasure to have you here.
Once you're ready, please let me know in the chat box that we are ready. So I'll start the next session. Ready? Nice. Diksha is ready. So there are around 18 people here. I want 18 readies. After that only I'll start. Isha is ready. Ready. Akansha is ready. Okay, Akansha is ready.
I think everybody is ready. We can start.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so before we start, I'm going to start with a prayer. I want every one of you to just close your eyes and we will start. Vansha kalpatarupyascha kripa sindhupya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah. Jai Shri Krishna Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayyam Dadati Kam Padantikam Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesh Shunyavadi Pashat Deshitarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Okay. Whenever you are ready, come back and let's start. So, you would have heard many people telling you, we will also be telling you that you should not take stress in pregnancy. You need to be happy. But as Krishna rightly said in Bhagavad Gita, that this place is a place of eternal misery. So, how we are going to do that? So, I'm going to teach you how exactly you'll do it. And for that, you just need to concentrate here. So, let's start. So, first thing, I want to share with you is something very important. So, my husband is an oncologist and he had this patient whom he had told that, you are just going to live for 2 more months. But his subconscious mind was so powerful that he decided that no, I can live longer. And cut to 3 years later, still now, that person is living and he is living to his fullest. So, what I want you to understand is, pain is inevitable, mothers, pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to make sure that you don't suffer. Now, one more thing is, this patient had a particular aura. Have you ever experienced that in, when you are surrounded by positive people, you also be very positive. And certain person gives you a lot of negative energy. So you imagine that your baby is connected with you 24 by 7. So how much impact you have on your kid? Okay, so we need to rectify each and everything. Hi, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Sorry, it was a mistake. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So we were talking about that how much your subconscious mind can affect your baby. So for that, we are going to do a very, very simple experiment right now. What we are going to do is I want all of you to tell me out of the two middle fingers of right hand and left hand, which one for you is bigger. I want every one of you to answer because I'm going to show you some magic over here. Which finger is bigger? Right middle finger or left middle finger? I want every one of you to answer in order for you to understand the power of subconscious mind. Right for me, Isha? Come on. Just place your hand in middle and tell me whether right is bigger, left is taller, or both are same. Every one of you should answer. It's same. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now just leave your hand. Leave your hand. Now, what we are going to do is, I want you to focus on one thing. If your right is bigger, you are going to say that left middle finger become taller. If your left is bigger, you are going to say right middle finger become taller. And if both are same, then you can choose anyone, either right or left, and you are going to say right middle finger become taller. And that we are going to say 10 times. Come on. Right middle finger become taller. Right middle finger become taller. Right middle finger become taller. Come on. If you will do it perfectly well, then I assure you, you are going to be out. Come on. Okay. Are we ready? Did we say it 10 times? Did we say it 10 times? Okay. Now, what you are going to do is you are again going to check. Again, you are going to check. And you are going to tell me that magic has happened. If you have truly done this exercise, I assure you that, this was done by Harvard scientists and he measured the finger with a caliper. Yes, so you need to do it again. Then this will be your homework. Okay, because it has been proven that caliper, millimeter difference will come. That much effect you have on your subconscious mind. Okay. Yes. So it is amazing. And so in Prodigini, what we do is we work with your subconscious mind because that is the mind which actually is responsible for, making 90% of your decisions. 90% of your decisions are not conscious. Yes, correct. Akansha. Perfect. So you know now the power of subconscious mind. And for all those who do not get it right, you need to go back home, sit calmly, and practice it again because I assure you 110% it will happen. Okay. Now, what are we going to do is I, you know, uh, how many of you have heard Abhimanyu story? How many of you have heard Abhimanyu story? Can you tell me yes in the chat box if you have heard Abhimanyu story? Type Y in the chat box. Yes, yes, yes. None. Everyone has heard. Okay, now I want to ask you something. When you heard that story for the first time, what did you feel? Can a child listen to you? Can a child learn in the womb? How did you feel? Yes, then you need to type yes. If you had your doubts, you need to type I did not understand that. How did it happen? Yes, yes, everyone knows. Now I will tell you something very, very exciting. So, MRI of pregnant female was done. Okay. Now, in that MRI, what happened is that mother was solving a puzzle at the time of MRI. Then, certain area of prefrontal cortex got activated. Area of brain got activated, and that same area of baby got activated. So, you imagine how much you and your child are connected, and right now how much power you are having. It is like your child is exactly your mirror image. So whatever you do, your child is learning. And I will tell you something. See this, look at this MRI. It is just wow. My dear mothers, you guys are having so much power which you can't even imagine. And your baby's brain cells are getting developed at the rate of 2.5 lakh times per minute, which is just phenomenal. So imagine if you put 2.5 rupee in bank, and if you get per minute 2.5 lakh times the interest. Imagine you are at a situation in which you can shape your baby, because right now your baby is going to stay with you 24 by 7. You can control what you want to teach, you can control what environment you want to give to your child. Correct? So, this is what we call it connecting with the child. So, I'm going to tell you certain ways through which we can practice Garbh Samvad or talking to the baby in womb. First step is, how many of you after pregnancy feel that your frequency of urination has increased? How many of you feel yes? Type yes in the chat box, because that we are going to. Yes, perfect. Everyone. Now we are going to change this bathroom breaks and utilize it to connect with our kid. So whenever you guys go to bathroom, what you are going to do is that time you and your baby are going to be alone. So after that, you have to talk to your baby. That baby, how are you? This kind, I am facing this today. Today I have made this, and today in my work what happened, what is happening around me, I'm going to do this work. Suppose if I'm going in surgery, I will be like, hi baby, I'm going in surgery now, so be calm, help your mama, don't move a lot. Okay, so you need to be very candid with your kid. Also, suppose if a new member is added in our family, how we introduce, or a new friend we make, we tell them our address, we tell them that what are our hobbies, we tell them that we had my husband and I have this relation, like constantly to our best friend we talk, right? So similarly, you have to start talking to your baby like this is our address. From your address you can start, that we are living in this city, this is our address, your dad is like a doctor, your mom is doing this work, and this is how our day looks like. Amazing, right? This is very simple, but you will understand how much you will be able to connect with your kid. Okay, so that is one thing. Second way, what you can do is journaling, because I can understand that always positive thoughts are not going to stay with you. You are going to feel low, you are going to have mood swings. So in that case, and this we beautifully explained. We have an entire session on journaling in our prodigami class. But for now, what you can do is you can write letters to your kid that, when UPT came positive, this was my feeling. I was feeling, I and your dad were feeling so happy, like letters to your baby. And whenever your baby is born, that will be like a time capsule, that will be like memory for your kid. So that is also one of the way through which you can communicate your emotions with your kid. Now, next thing is something which is my favorite. So what whoever now, how many of you can feel fetal movements? How many of you can have started feeling baby movements? Just type I in the chat box if you have started feeling your baby movements. Baby movements generally start after 5 months or around 5 months. Yes, yes. So perfect. Many of you have started feeling that fetal movements. So what you can do is, this is very exciting. So when a baby kicks, okay, you have to put your hand, you and your partner both have to put your hand at a place where baby is kicking, and you have to press at that position. Then again, you have to press somewhere else on the belly. So what will happen is, after 10 days, the baby, wherever you are pressing, baby will start kicking. So it will be like your play. Understood? It is amazing. And in Dr. Nisha's pregnancy, I and Dr. Nisha used to have so much fun. We used to press, and we called the kid Nitai. So Nitai used to kick. It was so amazing. And we had so much fun. So I am telling you, continuously 10 days of practice will establish this connection. Your baby will learn to kick, and it will be just amazing. So that is one more thing which you can do. And now the best part, which we actually do daily, that is called affirmations. So now all of you are ready for the affirmation, for the ultimate Garb Samvad affirmation. Are we ready? Yes, yes, yes. So we are going to put a light music. You are going to sit still, cross leg if possible, back straight, shoulders drop. Yes. Close your eyes. Breathe in for 4 counts and breathe out for 6 counts. Now, whatever I'm speaking, you are going to speak in your mind, okay? My dear baby, you are safe. You are held. And now, slowly, you're going to bring your arms, hands on your womb, and feel your baby. That tiny heartbeat. It is very, very powerful. And now your baby has started listening to you, because ear development completes at 18 weeks. So let's go. My dearest baby, I'm your mom. You and I, we are one. You are growing inside me, and I am growing with you. Every cell of yours is being made with my love, my blessings, my thoughts, and my emotions. You are so pure, strong, and full of light. I want you to know you are deeply, deeply wanted. You are a gift. You are a miracle. And I will protect you, guide you, love you endlessly. Dear baby, feel my joy. as I imagine your tiny fingers, your gentle kicks, your beautiful face. I'm already so proud of you. You are courageous. You are intelligent. You are kind. You're born with a beautiful, beautiful purpose. Now, feel this energy flowing from my heart to yours, a golden light connecting us. This light is filled with blessings from Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, and our ancestors. Let it wrap around you like a warm blanket of love and safety. My baby, I promise to nourish you, not just with food, but with love, thoughts, music, dreams, and silence. Together, we will listen to beautiful ragas, feel the rain, talk to the moon, laugh with the wind. You are already learning from every beat of my heart. You are not alone. You are never alone. I'm here, always. Now, as I breathe, you breathe with me. As I smile, you bloom with me. I now send you a secret wish from my soul to yours. May you always know how deeply loved you are. May you be fearless, kind, wise, and joyful. May your life be your own masterpiece. Now, gently, all mamas will place their hands in Namaste Mudra and take a deep breath in for 4 counts and exhale for 6 counts. And whenever you are ready, please come back. Are we ready? Okay, perfect. So, when I was making you do this exercise recently, today itself, I met a patient, and this is going to trigger you, but I need to tell you this. So, what happened is she was pregnant for second time. She came in my cabin with UPT positive, and she was like terrified. I saw her and I'm like, this is a happy news. Why are you so terrified? And she came with a little one. And that little one, I tell you, was like a hurricane. He would not sit still. 1 second, such an hyperactive kid. So she is like, oh my God, one baby also I'm not able to nurture, and I'm not able to take care of one kid. How am I able to take, I will, be able to take care of second kid. That time something changed. I realized that Garbh Sanskar is so important in today's life. And I will tell you something, this is not only with the kids. It is same for adults. We cannot focus. If I'm going to make you do one activity, but before I do that, I will tell you that something amazed me, that most watched OTT on Hotstar on the platform is the Stranger Things. And it was so funny that they have dumbed down their content so that people can use phone along with watching the series, and still they can watch the series, they can multitask. Why? Because we cannot do one single task at a time, because our focus has changed. Previously people used to meditate for hours together, and now we can't even sit still for 2 minutes. And for that, what we are going to do is we are going to do another activity which is known as focus exercise. For that, I want all of you mamas to see around you. Can you see a white wall? A white wall will be required for this activity. You need to focus on the white wall. So around you, just tell me once you can see white wall that you are ready. So I will instruct you how to do the focus exercise. Everyone ready? Ready? Come on, ready. Okay, perfect. So now what you are going to do is on the white wall, you are going to focus on a point. And then once you focus on that point, you are going to increase your peripheral vision. You are going to try and imagine and increase your peripheral vision. And tell me for how long you can do it. Okay, are we ready? Focus on one point and try to see to maximum what you can see, both the sides. Increase your peripheral vision. This is very good activity. Doing this activity, you will understand that our focus is so bad. Come on, I want every one of you to do that activity. I'm going to give you 1 minute and I want you to write how much peripheral vision you are having. Come on. You know what? In our, Prodigini programs, what we do is we have curated the program in a way that first of all, we work with the mothers to increase their neurodevelopment, to increase their focus, to do dopamine detox, because the most important aspect is in today's generation, our lifestyle is a major issue. So we need to focus on everything. And so we have curated an phenomenal program which is very, very close to our heart. But till now, how many of you have done the focus exercise? Can you tell me? There are 16 of you over here. So I am sure that, okay. And till how far did your peripheral vision go? Okay. Almost okay. Okay. So Drashti is very good, I feel. Yes, done. Monica has done. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Now, this is something you need to understand that focus is of utmost importance. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is, as I told you, that your baby's brain cells are developing at a rate of 2.5 lakh times per minute. And also, when you do certain activities, perfect, Isha. Now, when you are going to solve certain things, certain puzzles, certain activities, your baby's brain, same areas are going to get activated. So, what we are going to do is, are you ready to solve some puzzles? Everyone type yes in the chat box if you are ready. Then we can solve a puzzle. It is going to be fun. Yes, Isha is ready. Everyone is ready. So let's do it. Okay. So on there is time constraint. I have so many puzzles for you because we work with different centers. There are so many functions as Dr. Nisha explained, but we are going to take two puzzles today and just see the effect. Okay, so let's go. We are going to share our screen. Just give us. So before we, okay. What is this? This focus on your creativity. I want you to tell me what is this in the chat box. What do you feel is this word? No one. So I feel love connection, okay. Connection, okay. I feel all of you require us.
Guys, work out your brain cells. That's where the wiring is happening.
Heartbeat of both. Okay, I'm going to put this in the group and you are going to go home and think about it. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to move to next puzzle. But before we go to next,
We'll not give the answer right now. Should I type the answer? No.
should we give you the answer or do you want more time to think? You want to go home and think? I feel you should think and then let us know in the group. Mothers laugh. Okay. Yes, bond of pure love, very, very close. Okay, before we go on to next activity, I will tell you some ground rules. So that next activity is find the difference. So what we are going to do is we are going to show you image only for 5 to 10 seconds. And in that time, you are going to observe it very, very quickly, note down, and after we take down the image, you are going to write for us what was logically wrong in the image. Okay, let's go. Are we ready? Be very attentive. It is going to be fun. Okay. What is logically wrong in this image? Fast. Only you have 5 to 10 seconds. Note down. It is gone. Clock. Okay. There were so many things. Okay. Okay. Flush flying. Okay. Fish in the sky. Yes, that is correct. Different shoe. Yes, yes, correct, correct. Should we see the image again? Yes. So, all this, what are we doing here is we are working with your cognitive skills. Okay. Which is very important as we saw. Now, see, guys.
So there were trees with square leaves and
Yes, yes. So many things we have missed. So,
one
this.
tire. So somebody who observed long shoe, very good. That is the kind of
Correct.
sharp.
Yes, yes. Two moon, one sun. Yes. Okay. So, we need to ask ourselves some question, a question that do we need guidance? Do we want best for our kid? Correct? So, what we are going to do is you are going to book one-on-one calls with us. We are going to take the history. You are going to send us your blood test, your scans, everything. We are going to sit with you and we are going to decide whether we are right fit for each other or not. Because how many of you are Potterheads? Like I and Dr. Nisha, we love Harry Potter. And so, as it is said in Harry Potter, wand chooses the wizard. So, like that prodigini will choose the mom, the super mom, correct? So, I'm going to invite Dr. Nisha. She was telling us of a surprise thing which was planned for the person who kept the camera on. So let us see. Let us spill the beans.
Okay, thank you so much. Loved today's session. Everybody, give some feedback and love. What we are going to do is that for few people who are already in, I think Drashti, Isha, Namita, and Disha, who is busy with something yet. So we actually have two Namratas in this session. One is Dr. Namrata, and we also have one Namrata from our team. Also, Namrata is going to note the people who are there, and we are going to give you access to our inner circle. So for next 5 days, you have to be committed. This is going to be amazing experience. You will be actually doing Garbh Sanskar. This is theory and this is just glimpse of it. How we work on brain development and everything. And those people will be having access to our program for 5 days. And this is not a free thing, but for those, thank you for all the love. So the
Yes.
criteria is people who have kept their camera on is in. But I want more people to have access to this. So what you're going to do, you're going to write your feedback about this session, what you learned, what was your experience in the group. And those who have the feedback, given the feedback, we will transfer them into a group and we are going to do next 5 days of Garbh Sanskar. And these 5 days will be enough to transform your baby's life and journey, because we do not leave things halfway and we give her 100%. I'm telling you, I make sure my mother can massage her child, can breastfeed. We have this brain development, physical development, emotional development, Hoponopo bonding, cutting all that sasuma friend look ka cord, and intellectual development, memory, maths, everything का plan laid for to the mother, so that बाद में दुनिया भर की classes करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, because these 9 months the learning potential is exponential. So what you have to do is you have to share your learning from today's class in the group. That's all you have to do to be a part of the inner circle for the next 5 days. Isn't that exciting? Yeah. That is the only, that is a gift for all of you. And few of them I have already selected. Somebody I loved is Drashti. Drashti was a super sport and you are in. Monica, Isha, Namrita, great. The person who answered the shoe thing, that is a mother that I love and want in my thing. So we will go to note who answered. Can you say me? The shoe vulva person. Okay. To go back in the child. Shoe. The moon and okay. So that is what is the surprise from my side. We also have our one-on-one calls that you can book with us and we can discuss your worries, because see, telling not to worry is very easy. It is important for you to be in us to understand your scenario. And with yeah, I will be sharing that in the group. Dr. Namrata, I'm not able to each another number, so we'll call her Nama. I'm not able to reach Nama right now, so please share the link for me. And also, one thing, all of you mothers, please do note that not everybody can be great. Okay, as I said, not everybody can be a VIP. Yeah, you have to share that in the WhatsApp community, because this will not be there with me, na dear. So just share it in the community so I can make sure that you guys are a part of the thing. Not everybody can be great. That will definitely destroy the balance of the universe. But how do we become great? Through the choices that we make. And choices that we do not make are possibilities in life. Always remember that for you and your baby. And with that note, and an open opportunity to sit with people who are the dhurandhars of their field working. So I told you we are the only fetal enrichment and development experts in the country who are working this for your good. And what I want you to take this opportunity for your baby and let's transform them together. I choose who I work with. I just work with 5 to 10 mothers because I will give my 100% and don't have a lot of time to have a entire gang of people who are not dedicated. So if you're dedicated, let's do this for your baby and meet us once so that we can, pinpoint and you see what knowledge and space that we are coming from. Having said that, whatever you have learned here is enough to at least make you aware of your power and your possibilities. So, with that note, do share your experience and what you have learned from this. Learn patience, how to as well communication between and great. And the main thing that I have been teaching is how you can sharpen your baby ka skill so that they can achieve anything. Rich dad and poor dad, you are the rich moms that are giving your baby a life. So you are making everybody a nepo baby. क्यों होते हैं वो nepo babies? उनके पास facilities हैं जो आपके पास open है. It is all about a choice. With that note, I want to end today's session. Are there any questions that you want to ask? No. So the link of the one-on-one call will be shared in the group. Do share your input and learnings. On basis of that, we will choose who can be a part of the inner circle. Thank you so much. I'm glad you guys stayed, and I hope and I know it is not a hope that if you are here, it is one thing that is going to transform your baby's journey because you know कि pregnancy में सिर्फ बच्चे को बड़ा नहीं करना है, उसका weight नहीं देखना है. Weight 1.2 kg का भी होगा तो भी बढ़ जाएगा. What is important is the neuro development of the child and the emotional capacity that you're giving to your baby. Okay, guys, any questions?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for all the love and affection that I'm giving. If one mother also is becoming conscious in her pregnancy, I think my job here is done. Thank you so much. Thank you. Lot of love
Very
from you.
nice session.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Dr. Nisha.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Dr. Namrata.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're on mute.
So do place your learnings into the group and follow us on Instagram. We will put our Insta handles so that you can be continuously there. Thank you so much. Thank you. And today is Ram Navami. And with that, I hope all of you mothers have blessing of Lord Rama. Correct? And as we go, let's sing. Let's sing as we go. You know, this should be a fun festival. But what do you think? Okay. It is late. I know a lot of you people are hungry also. Okay. Those who are booking one-on-one calls, I'll make sure that we have a diet for them according to your reports and everything. So do bring your reports and your sugar tests and everything. And let's sing for 2 seconds. And then you guys can leave. We are almost done. Oh, sorry.
Not able to listen.
Not 1 second. Okay. Now, guys can hear?
No problem.
There has been some technical issue. So let us end the meeting and let us meet in the group. So I want every one of you to book one-on-one call with us and then notify us in the group and give your feedbacks. Okay. Only if you give your feedbacks, you will be eligible for 5-day free inner circle access. Okay. So bye everyone. Enjoy your night.